Alright, well, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of this Seiko watch. I ordered this is a JDM model SBTR027. So it means that it's a Japan domestic market model. It's only being sold in Japan, so we ordered this one in Japan. So let's do a quick unboxing, okay? So it's a box. Inside the box, of course, there's another box. There's the box inside. Let's see what's here. So we have this Seiko watch guarantee. It says only valid in Japan, so basically we imported it. It's invalid. Well, it's the risk that you have to take for these Japan models. So yeah, let's take a look on the watch now. And there it is. So we have the watch, and what's here? It's like an instruction booklet. I wouldn't be able to understand it anyways. Looks like it's in Japanese. Let's take that away. Here's the watch. So beautiful. Wow. So it looks like a Daytona homage, right? But you won't believe me, this is a really not cheap, just the price of this watch is just more than 100 bucks, I'm telling you. Let's take out the pillow, and I'm gonna remove this. So here it is. Here's the code. It's the model number SBTR027, and this watch is called the Seiko Spirit Chronograph. Wow, that dial though. Plays with the light, changes color. Sometimes it's black, sometimes it's blue. Some, in rare times it's becoming violet. Sometimes purple. Beautiful, beautiful dial. This is all stainless steel, by the way, and the bezel looks like ceramic, but it's not. It's just painted stainless steel. It works. I like the color combination. Alright, so let me just remove this. I'll be back. Alright, here's the watch. As you can see, it's a chronograph. Seiko chronograph at the 12 o'clock. We have the second hand on the bottom on the 6 o'clock there. On the 9 o'clock we have the 30 minutes chronograph, and we have a 24-hour time on the 3 o'clock there. Blackish hue on the bezel. The bracelet is basic Seiko, but it looks nicer for the price. This is just above $100 bucks, guys. This is not the newer Seiko Speedmasters. I mean, Speedtimers. I mean, a regular buckle. It's just like over 40 mil in diameter. I haven't measured it, but yeah, It has polished sides. It looks like it's not a screw down crown. It's not signed at all. I don't care. It's just almost $100 for this guy, right? And take note, guys, this is not just a regular quartz movement. This is Meca-Quartz. Seiko's Meca-Quartz 863. So what that means is it looks like it has a mechanical movement on top of the quartz, right? I stopped it. Look when I press this one, immediately snaps back to the 12. So yeah, for the price, man. Meca-Quartz Seiko, beautiful dial. Looks like it's sunburst. Plays with the eyes. Looks like just mineral crystal, but it doesn't make any much difference actually. Still looks great. Alright. Beautiful. Here's the back. It's not a see-through case back here. Just a regular case back with Seiko, with the Seiko logo. The buckle is just a regular clasp there, but I think it's better than the normal diver clasps. Let's try it on the wrist. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I have a small wrist, but yeah, I think it's good. It's good to my wrist here. Yeah, sometimes it becomes purple. The dial. Yeah, so Speedtimer, Daytona. I don't know, but I'll just use this watch. This is just above $100, less than $150. You can look it up in Japanese sites, because it's JDM. All right, I'll try it on the strap and I'll show you guys. Thank you. All right, just showing you the loom, guys. It's just a regular loom, but it's Seiko, so it's probably Lumo Bright. It has a little small rectangular loom on the indices, the minute track, and on the minute hand, and then the hour hand, and that's it. But it's pretty good loom. And this is, by the way, Hardlex crystal. Check 20 mil for the lug width. Yeah, I confirmed that's almost 40 mil in diameter. As you can see, the loom stays on for a long time. Looks like it's Lumi Bright. Seiko's proprietary. Alright, I'll try on a different band and I'll show you. Alright, I tried on this blue rally strap. Looks good on the wrist. Thanks guys, please subscribe and like. Have a good day.